This is a brief tutorial on how to purchase a book through iBooks using our Palma book list. So let's say I'm looking for a Literature 8 book. What I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll down and find Literature 8. And let's go to A Tale of Two Cities. So what we're going to do is we're going to click Apple iBook, which is going to give us a link here. So we'll click on that. And here's the book here. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to hit click on iBooks right here. And it's going to open up iBooks. Now keep in mind, whatever account I'm logged into now in iBooks is the account that this book is going to be tied to. So I'm just going to simply hit get. It'll download, and depending on your internet connection speed, it might take a couple seconds for it to register, but mine already finished. It says read, and that's it. So now I'm just going to open up my iPad, and I'll open up iBooks, and Charles Dickens' A Tale of Two Cities will show up, and I could read it. And that is all there is to it.